Welcome to Ticao Island Dive Resort.
Salamat.
Hello.
Si Grace po ito. Hey, Jane! Nice to meet you. Please have a seat because we prepared something special.
Okay, thank you. How are you? I'm Malcolm.
Hello.
What's your name?
Grace.
Grace. Nice to meet you, Grace. Sabian,
Yes?
you meet Grace?
Yeah. Please have a seat.
Hindi siya mahirap hanapin.
You use Waze or Google Map?
Google Map.
That's good.
It's pretty awesome.
Zachary, this is Grace.
Have a seat po, Grace.
This is Sabian. And that's my brother, J-Lo.
Hello po.
Hello, ma'am.
Have a seat po.